How to bring back the old vertical style WhatsApp status layout after the latest update. Let's get started. If you have noticed that your WhatsApp statuses are now displayed in a horizontal format along with channels and broadcast pages, and you prefer the classic vertical list, there is a simple fix you can use. Start by opening WhatsApp and heading to the Updates tab. Here you will see all the channels you follow, which is the reason WhatsApp switches to new horizontal layout. To restore the traditional vertical style, just tap on any channel you are following. Open its profile and select the following option. From there, tap on Follow and Confirm. Repeat this process for every channel you no longer want to follow. Once all channels are unfollowed, WhatsApp will automatically switch your status layout back to the family vertical list, showing your friends updates just like before. You may still see a Find Channel section, but it won't affect your status scrolling experience. Just remember, if you follow any new channels again, WhatsApp may switch back to the horizontal layout. And that's all it takes. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.